guys, it's Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner. Today is day 13 and we're going to be opening up another box out of my advent calendar from Spellbinders. This might be a little bit late going up, guys. I apologize. It's just all the things. So first I need to find number 13. That looks like it's over here. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what's inside. Looks like it's happy birthday stuff. So rip out the paper. Okay, so we have got some sentiment stamps, which means it's a great time for me to dive into one of my binders that has lots of extras that I've cut or stamped or whatever out and not used yet. So this is a good time for me to use some of my extras. So I still have some birthday balloons from a Spellbinders die set that I think I used year before last, I think it was. So I've had these sitting there and just haven't gotten around to using them. So I think that's what I'm going to use today. Got some black and white pattern paper for the background, and let's go ahead and stamp out a sentiment or two, and then I can put the card together. I'm stamping these out in VersaFine Clear, and then I'm going to heat emboss them with some clear embossing ink from WOW. And this is a perfect little set because you know what? I always need birthday cards. So next I'm going to use that banner die we got a couple of days ago and cut out each of my sentiments. Now I didn't really space them right on my scrap cardstock, but that's okay. Got this one cut out, so it's got the fishtail on one side. Lego. Okay, it's got the fishtail on one side. So what I can do is I can shift it down inside the die to about where I want it, and do the other side too. So you can use both ends of a fishtail even on sentiments that are smaller than what your die is. So I'm going to do that with all 4 of the sentiments because even if I don't use it on the card today, I can use them later on. Okay, let's go ahead and put this together. Just using that panel, I cut it a little bit smaller than A2, so that is 4 by 5 1/4. And I'm gonna pop all of my balloons up on foam, I think, because I love foam. It's always fun. So just using some foam tape for these. And I'm gonna kind of position them out and then decide how I want them on there because I have no idea at this point. Okay, so we've got 3 balloons. I'll probably pop one up a little bit higher just cuz. And then we've got our happy birthday. I think I'm gonna have the happy birthday up at the top and then at the bottom have an amazing day. I think that'll be cute. And let's put the happy birthday over on the side there. Want to pop that one up too. So go ahead and cut some more foam. So I'm going to start off with this and then I'll position my balloons. Okay, we've got that. So now we've also got these strings and the little ends that basically show that it's a balloon. So that's going to get adhered on the bottom, and my string's going to be attached to the bottom here. So I'm going to add a little bit of glue to the end of the string and attach it to the balloon tie. So now we've got our 3 little strings, and I know you're not really going to be able to see it that much, but it is a little detail that I'd like to have on here. Okay, and fit right about there. So there we go. Okay, let's go ahead and add our other balloons. I think I do want to... Okay, I don't want to have this be too thick, so I'm going to put this one down with just this one layer, and then I'm going to add additional foam to my tiny balloon. And I think I only need some on one because I'll have the other piece actually overlap one of the balloons. So just layer that up. So we've got a double layer here and a single layer there. Okay, and there we go. And then I can add this third tie to the balloon. So I'm taking a little sliver of foam, folding it in half. So it's going to be a double layer, and then we'll see whether or not that's the right size or if I need to trim this. I think I am going to trim it a little bit. And this is one of the reasons that I have tweezers, because otherwise I could not hold that and cut it at the same time. Okay, now I can just take the foam, take the release paper off of it, and tuck that underneath the little circle part of the tie. And it's probably not going to be seen anyway because it's going to be underneath my balloon, but just to be on the safe side, add some glue to the top. And then we're going to tuck that right under. There we go. And then I can trim off the bottom of the strings. Okay, so this one, the Have an Amazing Day, I'm also going to put on there with some foam, but I'm going to actually have it go across the balloon strings, and that's going to help it so that they don't go anywhere. They're going to stay in place, and I won't need any additional glue there. So... and there we go. That finishes up this quick and easy birthday card using some stuff that was already in my stash and these sweet little sentiments. You guys have a great day. Be sure to check out the playlist for the rest of the Advent Calendar series. And remember, I am going to be back here at approximately 4 o'clock every day. Having some issues right now because we've got so much stuff we've got to get done before my in-laws come in town. You guys already know this if you were at my live stream yesterday for the Advent Calendar series. But yeah, I had to get this up for you guys. This is just too cute. You guys have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.